But Mr. Sharma hasn't spoken. He's been listening to this intently. He's heard all sides. Mr. Sharma. Siddharth ji.
Swati Maliwal.
Yes, sir.
Swati.
What's the question?
Sir, you don't need a question. I'm sure you've come prepared. जो तैयारी है सुना दीजिए पूरा.
स्वाति मालीवाल पार्टी.
सर, इस देश को ना पिछले एक हफ्ते में जेनजी ने बहुत अच्छे से तैयार कर दिया. जेनजी मूवमेंट has essentially set in concrete the agenda from politics into policy. Now, what has happened is that Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned because of the Gen Z pressure. After Dharmendra Pradhan has resigned, the Gen Z movement has not asked who that replacement has to be. And the government, in its own wisdom, has asked for 30 days with the Gen Z movement that they will come up with the draft reforms and have a talk with them. So, चाय से ज्यादा केतली हमको गर्म नहीं होनी चाहिए, since the new team, whichever it is keeping its wisdom to itself, at least after taking charge. So why should we become too charged up with that? Let us wait. Without prejudice to anyone, Congress has a bad habit of lowering the discourse level. Now, reform means bringing a better Gill than retiring Kohli. It's about a capable team and not about a single individual. When a state government like Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi could seek out a Nobel laureate like Abhijit Banerjee to advise its education model, why can't BJP also seek such highly educated men to usher in those new reforms? If BJP leaders can go to educationist Sonam Wangchuk with a juice, why not go to him again with an appointment letter, at least as a member of that education reform committee? It's a simple thing that it's the reform happening. There's nothing adversarial here. Right now, I don't see anything adversarial. The Gen Z was demanding some reforms. The government has accepted those reforms. The government has said that we are putting up a new team. In 30 days' time...
No, Mr. Sharma, is the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan because of Gen Z or Rahul ji?
Gen Z. Who is Rahul? Nobody else takes the credit here. It was Gen Z within 5 days.
Dr. Ranganathan, while you were speaking, is wanting you to answer a specific question about the Punjab education minister over the class 12th exam. And then I have another small question for you. Dr. Ranganathan, quickly.
हाँ, मैं बस ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ अपने आपके मित्र सिद्धार्थ जी से कि भाई बहुत अच्छा है कि इन्होंने लोबो लॉरिएट को चुना, वांगचुक जी को रोल देना चाहते हैं, तो ऐसा करिए ना, वांगचुक जी को पंजाब का एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बना दीजिए. क्योंकि जब आप धर्मेंद्र प्रधान को रिजाइन करवाना चाह रहे थे क्योंकि पेपर लीक हुआ, ये देखिए पंजाब में कितने पेपर लीक हुए. 2023 का पेपर लीक खुद हरजोत सिंह जी मान गए पेपर लीक हुआ, खुद पंजाब एजुकेशन बोर्ड मान गया पेपर लीक हुआ. तो इसके बारे में आपको कुछ कहना नहीं है. ये जेनजी की बात नहीं मान रहे आप. सिद्धार्थ जी बड़ी गलत बात कर रहे हैं. ये तो आप हिट विकेट हो गए, टू यूज द लवली क्रिकेट एनालिसिस दैट यू यूज. अब भागिएगा मत, अपने लीडर की तरह आंसर करिए.
जस्ट ऐड टू दिस ओनली, जस्ट ऐड टू दिस बिकॉज़
सर एक और क्वेश्चन है. आप प्यार इतना है आपके लिए.
वो देखिए, ऐसा एजुकेशन मॉडल, आई एग्री, इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम शराब मंत्री हैड बिकम शिक्षा मंत्री आल्सो. 500 स्कूल्स के बदले 800 ठेके खोल दिए थे और 2/3 स्कूल में साइंस टीचर ही नहीं थे. मतलब कोई आनंद रंगनाथन ना बने. एनीवे, फॉरगेट दैट. पीपीएससी नायब तहसीलदार एग्जाम May 2022 has been leaked by these people. March 2023 Punjab state exam has been leaked. Punjab class 12th exam has been leaked. ADO exam has been leaked. Now these are the examinations.
सिद्धार्थ शर्मा, I'll make it easier. वो पहले तो आप डॉक्टर रंगनाथन जो बोल रहे हैं, आप सोनम वांगचुक को अनाउंस कर दीजिए that he is a new education minister of Punjab. Think of a role for अन्ना हजारे also, sir. उनका तो आम आदमी पार्टी ने क्या किया वो सबको
बना दो. लोकपाल बना दो.
कुछ तो बना दीजिए सर उनको.
लोकपाल
नहीं, बिल्कुल करेंगे ना सर. केंद्र सरकार उनको, सोनम वांगचुक जी को अपने कमेटी में ले ले. उनके नीचे जो जूनियर है उनको हम लोग जूनियर सरकार पंजाब में ले लेते हैं. बड़ा अच्छा काम तो शुरुआत करना.
नहीं, अगर केंद्र सरकार एंटी सोनम वांगचुक है, एंटी रिफॉर्म है, तो आप लोग लीड लीजिए ना. आप लोग क्यों नहीं ले रहे? अन्ना हजारे से लास्ट टाइम कब मिलने गए थे केजरीवाल जी?
वांगचुक बोला ही नहीं. हमने कहा कि वांगचुक जी को आपने जाके पानी जूस पिलाया,
बोला है.
Someone
said it from the stage. सोनम वांगचुक को नया एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बनाओ. You know who said it? I think it was Mr. Kejriwal.
Sir, we are very clear right now. I am saying that if BJP can go to Mr. Wangchuk and say that he can have a juice, why not in this new committee of
But
reforms?
sir, if the BJP is not doing it, Mr. Sharma, why can't you do it? The BJP is bad. The BJP is anti-students. The BJP is anti-reform. The BJP is a Gomutra party according to the logic we've heard today. Why doesn't the Aam Aadmi Party step up डीएमके तो बना नहीं सकती बिकॉज वही सरकार में नहीं है, आप हैं, आप बना दीजिए.
Coming to Punjab, as much as one tries to find a Schrodinger's cat, one can't because it doesn't exist in reality. It's just a thought experiment.
Okay.
The first fact is that for 10 years under AAP rule, not a single student protest for education reforms.
Okay, so you will wait for protest to happen. Right. Maybe the BJP should, take note of this protest call and then do a protest till that minister is forced to resign. We'll have to move on. Just stay with us, viewers, because, let's talk about something related.